Greetings guys, it's Irish here. So I decided to go back to Arch Linux on my desktop. I have tried other distros and they just do not work on my desktop here. So I've been on Arch Linux for just a couple weeks. I do plan on keeping this on for several months at least. But I did come across a interesting uh, package in the AUR. It's called Cylon. Now, excuse me. Now it's by a user called Gylon, I believe his name is on the AUR, and it's a maintenance program. So let me show you what it looks like here. So if we go to now, if you just say Cylon, as you can see, it opens up a nice text-based here. Say you wanted to go to Pac-Man, so you just hit 1. And now say you wanted to upgrade packages, so you just say 2. Now you can put this in your, put your password in, and there you go. So I had 6 updates, so I'll just do that while this goes. Now this will go back, press any key. So now if I wanted to say view the Pac-Man log, I just say 20. And that's what the Pac-Man log looks like. I have installed dbus, tells you the date and everything else like that. So let me exit out, exit, and I'm just going to go to return to here. Now the cool thing about this is that it doesn't come with everything, but it does come with some cool features. So say I wanted to go with my system information, number 11. This tells you how many, my uptime. I've been up for a day, 16 hours and 56 minutes. It tells me my kernel, the operating system, my username, the shell that I'm on, stuff like that. Well, I don't understand this one, but whatever. So we'll just say no, no. So now say I wanted to go to system security. So we'll go 7. And then say I wanted to do a number 6, list the password aging info for the user. So we'll say 6. And I'll just put in my username here, my name, Mike. This will say that it was done on the 6th of this month. The password never expires. Number of days between password changes, it's the default, and number of days of warning before password expires, 7. But if I don't have anything like this, I don't have that. So if you do want to have your password expire, like a lot of businesses do, you can set it up and this will tell you exactly how long you have. Now say with Linus, you have to install it. As you can see, Linus is not installed. Same thing with Clam AV. That's an antivirus software for Linux. It is up to you if you want to do it. So we're going to go back here, and now let's say we're going to go to network maintenance. I'm just going to show this one last one. So we're going to hit 8. Now I have, let me see if I can find it here. Speed test. So I did install speed test CLI. So if we go to generate server, we'll say yes. And this will show you how quickly my thing is. We'll just do the very first one. So this will tell you your speed of your internet. Now again, a lot of this stuff is not included, so you will have to install some other third-party applications to get this fully functional. But as you can see, I have 202 megabits per second download, and upload is about 74, which is sort of kind of slow for my. It should be a lot higher than that. But let's go 11. Let's go Cylon information really fast. This will show you all the information where everything is located. You can put in your you could change the configs. So let's go back to that really fast. So let's go to 10 is to view, edit, and the config file. Okay, interesting. So let's see if it's located in here. Let's go Ranger. So we're going to go to the .config Cylon. So it is empty. So we would have to generate a configuration file, which I'm sure we are able to do it within here. So let's try this again. Maybe go 13. So let's go Chicago. Here's the weather report of my area. So it's very interesting. So again, you could do system backup, system update, system maintain. One more thing. So you could say disk space usage. So see how much I have. Yes. This might take a while, but let me show you the website really fast. So it is in the AUR, and it is by a user called Cylon. This you can just do Cylon-C for the config, opens the file for editing and exit. So actually, let's do that. If you have BleachBit, you can clean out your system of temporary files and stuff like that. There's an RSS feeder which prints out the latest Arch news. So it is quite interesting for sure. I'm going to play with this a little bit just to see if it really is something that you can use. The screenshot again looks pretty good. But again, a lot of this stuff is not a lot of the stuff that it uses in like system backup. You will have to install it. Here's a bunch of the different different packages that you would need. So like Trizen is the AUL helper, or AUR asicle-git, or G drives to sync to the Google Drive, or you can rsync for the backup. Linus is just to show you how secure your system is, and ccrypt is to use to encrypt everything. So it is quite interesting. Again, so let's try this again to see. R. Okay, don't know what that did. Let's try H. Alright, maybe just, okay, let's try number 9. Find the 200 of the biggest files. My guess is it's going to turn out to be a lot of my videos that I got. Okay, maybe it's somewhere else. But I just wanted to show you guys what this looked like. I thought it was interesting to say the least. So let me know if you guys check it out. Here's a bunch of them. So dialog, EPAC, AUR, ACL, lost files. So this will, like libnotify and speed test, it will be installed. So you can get all of these to get the full function of this Cylon. So let me know what you guys think. I do plan on doing a pretty big video in this next couple weeks. I'm going to try to do uh, a video on Gen 2 in a nutshell, but I'm going to try to make slides and stuff like that. So let me know if you're interested, or if you want me to do like a versus type of video, like pin Arch Linux against like Manjaro or Antegros, or Gen 2 versus like Savion or Redcore or Calculate, and I can try to, do like a slideshow type of video showing you what the differences are and just give you an overall general knowledge of each of the distros. So I do want to try to make a um, more in-depth type of videos, but those will take a while to produce. So please let me know what you guys think of this, and I will talk to you guys later.